Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. I got an order from Glamnetic and I'm going to try to put these on and y'all can come along with the fun. I got a wild look today. What do you think? I'm not good at the liquid liner. All right, here we go. I gotta let this get about 80% dry. Once it's dry, we're gonna stick these on. These are the Princess Lash from Glamnetic. Alright, so what do we think? The band is pretty wide on them, so if you didn't have a lot of black eyeliner on like I do today, it might be visible. I still feel like I can see this one, like I didn't get it low enough. But they are pretty. I like that I didn't even have to cut them. They just come to a great length. Yeah, comment below.